Well, Osian, an excellent win for the Welsh U19 side out in Georgia today.
Yeah, it's an outstanding win, you know, considering the journey out there, the change of plans and the way they've adapted to that. And obviously the first game against Georgia, who are playing at home, was going to be a really difficult game as a first game. But that's an excellent result to score obviously 3 goals in the first half, keep a clean sheet. Will give them great confidence now going into the next game against Austria.
And it's Austria and Albania in the next couple of matches.
Yeah.
That will, as you say, you give them huge confidence.
Absolutely. Obviously, Austria's the next game. They've beaten Albania 2-1 today. So, but you know, it's important if you can to win that first game. And all credit to the players. It's a strong group. There's some future talents in there, and also all credit to Dave Hughes, who's heading it all up with Carl Darlington, Craig Bellamy and Luke Coles, the analyst. I've seen all the hard work that they've done behind the scenes for several weeks now. This hasn't come together this week. So the preparation has been immense, and all credit to them all for doing that. And it shows the work that Geraint Williams is doing at intermediate level to make sure that these teams are now competing wherever we go against whoever we play.
And that's coming on the back of the success of the under-17s, qualifying for the elite round and of course winning the Victory Shield again.
Yeah, this was the main aim, to have that sustainability and continuity coming through, because we'll need to supplement the first team squad in the next few years, and we've got to make sure that players are ready. And these type of international experiences away from home in Georgia, but getting results in places like that, 17s beating Holland, you know, which was a terrific result a few weeks ago. It just shows that, you know, every squad is going from strength to strength, and, you know, as I say, all credit to the players. We've got some really future talents coming through, and at the same time all credit to all the hard working staff that are making this possible.